Okay, so Speed 6 wrap is going down soon, so please let me know what you guys think. I'm thinking camo, color shift, or just throw out some other ideas you guys have. These are like 3 options, so yeah, just let me know down in the comments which wrap you guys want to see or recommend your own, and yeah, please enjoy the video. Okay, well, I'm kind of butthurt. Half the files of this video that I recorded for this one that you're watching got corrupted, so let me just explain what I did. That way parts of this video, stuff I'm saying makes sense and you don't think I'm crazy. Start off the morning in the M3, went and got a car wash. I think I went to the store and then I went and got my microfiber towels, which you guys can see in the video. And I'll start it like somewhere, you know, normal spot. But yeah, so apologize about that. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. I got a new SD card, because this happened last week with a video I recorded. So I couldn't upload that, and yeah, so sorry about that. But anyway, yeah. No. Oh, and by the way, leave Q&A comments down below, because I'll answer questions about cars, anything, and we'll do a video. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. Alright guys, this is a Nugget. He looks like a McDonald's chicken nugget, and that is how I named him. But just want to show him off. That's Fluff too, by the way. Sorry, my closet's a little messy. Alright, so here's the Speed. It's back. Here's a little update on it before I install this little shark fin radio antenna. It looks really good, by the way. But yeah, so there's gonna be less videos of this right now, because the drift event is coming up, so I'm gonna be focusing on drifting and drift cars. That's what I do for fun, so that's my main hobby. And yeah, so there's gonna be less content of this, but I'm still gonna try and get 1 to 2 videos up a week of the Speed. My goal is 3 videos a week, so either 1 of those will be a Speed or 2 of those. But for now, I'm gonna have to do some Z content. And I have another secret little car that hasn't been on the channel yet, so there's gonna be some content of that too. But yeah, so sorry about slowing it down. There's still gonna be Speed content, so don't worry about that. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get right into this little antenna install. And by the way, you guys wanna see a tan line? Look at that. Look at that. So bad. Now I kinda have to wear a hat. Yeah, I have no option, because that's horrible. So yeah, anyway, I just want to show that off. That was from FD St. Louis, which by the way, said in my last video, FD St. Louis, best FD event I've ever gone to. Even though I've only gone to Florida and FD St. Louis, but you know, either way. Yeah, so got this shark fin antenna. Like I said, took a long time to get, and paint matches perfectly. From here to there, absolutely perfect. This car did have a clear bra. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this or even showed this line, but this is where the clear bra obviously was, on this whole front half, and then the back half of the hood obviously didn't have anything. So the paint is extremely faded, and I haven't figured out a way to get that out. I tried wet sanding it. I didn't go that heavy on the wet sand, but either way, it didn't work. So if anyone has ideas and would like to recommend a way to get that line out of the hood, actually it'd have to be the whole car, because the whole car doesn't really match. But yeah, if anyone has ideas, please let me know. I specifically went to get those microfibers and I forgot them at home, so I have to use a dirty one. But it's whatever, this paint needs a correction obviously, so you know, what's wrong with using a dirty microfiber on it? But anyway, got some Noonshine, gonna clean this up real quick. It's a nice little spray, noonshine.com if anyone wants to buy some. But yeah, so just gonna wipe this down, and oh yeah, I need to explain how this works as well. Okay, that is all wiped down. Paint actually looks good up here. Still doesn't match because that's faded, but anyway, this is how this goes. So it looks really good, obviously. I'm gonna be doing this by myself, so lining it up might be a little hard to get it straight, that is. But anyway, these things are pretty simple. All you do is take this little cord thing, wire, and you use these bolts take these bolts, you screw them into the top of here with that little wire attached. I'm gonna show it anyway, but that is what you do. And then basically you peel this 3M sticky tape and stick it down and hope it's straight. If not, you screw it up and you gotta take it off and go buy some sticky tape. So this is a one-shot go. And yeah, let's get this wire in. First things first. Okay, wire's all on there. Now the really tough part, like I said, is going to be aligning it perfectly straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this and pray that I can get this on straight. Shoot. Alright, anyway. Alright, I'm just gonna set the camera up and we'll get her on there. Alright. Wow, I hope this is straight. Oh, I can't tell. Please be straight. Okay. Haven't looked yet. Well, it's not straight, so I'm gonna try and scoot it over because I didn't really press it down that hard. It just needs to go to the left a little more. Oh, we're good, I got it. There we go. And we're on. That was simple. Straight as an arrow. So yeah, that was a pretty easy install. I definitely recommend it because look at this. Let me get this can off here. The nice thing about actually putting this on is the fact that my radio will actually work good now, because it worked really bad when I took the old dingleberry on a stick long antenna off, because that thing was really ugly. It's probably stood out to like here. So yeah, this is gonna be a win-win because it looks good, and now I can listen to the radio clearly, turn it up loud. There's no like or any of that. And yeah, that's a win in my book. Okay, that was really easy, and boy did it make a difference. So here we go. Let's do the sick pan. Bam! Look at that. That looks super good, super modern. Old one looked like crap, and yeah, just a nice little touch to the car. I am actually pretty stoked that it is color match, since I haven't wrapped the car yet. Tell me who wears it better, the M3 with the stock shark fin or the Speed? Tell me which one you like better. Personally, I think the Speed one's more sleek, to be honest with you. I ain't gonna lie. That carbon fiber roof though looks good, but yeah. Leave a comment down below which one you like better. I'm pretty stoked about this thing. Totally worth it. Definitely worth the wait to get it paint matched. I think it was like 80 bucks for this thing or something stupid, but no, it wasn't that much. I don't know how much it was, but either way, you guys can get these online. It is YG shark fin antenna. Visual Garage Inc. is where I bought it. So go check that out if you guys want an antenna for your Speed 6. And yeah, I'm gonna end this up by going over a lot of the things that people said about the Cobb tune. So basically, I want to clear some stuff up. I only did that for the video. I don't plan on running that tune for very long, but I am getting a new tune that is in the works right now. And yeah, so just want to answer that. And then also, I do want to know some video ideas that you guys want to see over any cars, anything. I don't care. I just want some video ideas, some stuff you guys want to see. And yeah, sorry for the lack of speed content. It's going to be slowed down just a little bit because I have the drift event August 24th. I'm taking the Z, so expect some videos this week on the Z. And then once that's over, we'll kind of get back into the speed. But after that, there is another drift event. So yeah, the drifting content's gonna carry on for like 2 months right now. And then yeah, so at least you guys will get to see some action on the channel. And I think that's pretty much it. I can't think of anything else. So, see ya.